What's up guys, welcome back to the next video on learning Python. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Coraiwood. Okay, so we have in the previous video we have done our operators, and we discussed the arithmetic operator, and we said that we've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, floor division operator. So these all are Python operators, and we've seen the assignment operators, how we assigned. And if you guys remember that this guy here is just assignment, it's not equal to. So we have addition assignment, we have subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, we have a floor division and remainder. Okay, our modulus, you guys can see this modulus as well. Now in this video we're going on relational, our comparison operator. Depends who you speak to. Some folks they say it's a relational, and some folks they call it comparison, but they both mean is the same because we are comparing the two operands. So you just like as I said on just before, you guys can say this one is equal to, but in comparison this means equal to. So this guy is here is equal to, this guy here is equal to. So, and this guy here is not equal to, and you guys, you're going to use this a lot. I mean when you guys doing your programming, not equal to, say you guys want to say login username, and you want to say if the username, whatever the user put it, is equal to what there is inside the database, or this variable is equal to this variable, or this is not equal to this variable. So this you're gonna, as a programmer, you guys gonna do like a million trillion times in the entire whatever you guys do your programming. So you guys gonna do maybe thousands of times in one programming comparison, because you guys need to compare this all the time. You guys need to compare the database to database. You guys compare the anything. You guys need to compare if the user put the right correct variable, and if it's this variable is equal to this, or this variable is not equal to this. So you guys going to do a lot, and this guy here is greater than, and this guy here is equal then, sorry, is less than. So this guy here is less than, and there is another guy here is greater than or equal to, so we call it greater or equal to, and this guy is here is less than or equal to. Okay, and you guys can compare all of them. So if you guys gonna come here, say if you comparing A, say for example 10, and you're comparing B, for example 12, for example, you guys can, or 15 maybe. So now your A got us your variable A is got a 10, variable B is equal to this one. So the first one we're going to check if is A is equal to B. So we're going to say A, if it's A equal to B, and it says false because A is not equal to B. So how about is not equal to? We're going to check not equal to. A is not equal to B, and that's true because A is not equal to B. So how about we come here and says A is greater than B? That's false because A is 10 and B is 15. So B is greater than this one. It's not the other way around. So if what about if we say A is less than B? It's true because A is actually less than B. We're going to see that B is the greater than, it's got a lot of value than A. Okay, so how about we're going to say greater than or equal to? So we're going to come here, greater than or equal to B, and it says that's false because it's not. And if you come here and turn this guy the other way around, it's going to be true because A is less than or equal to B. Alright, so how about if we compare, say for example strings? How about we're gonna compare the strings? So for example, if it says Corayo is equal to say for example Korayo. What do you guys think? What's gonna happen? So we're gonna put Korayo is false, because this Korayo has got a lowercase. As I said to you guys before, Python is very sensitive, and this Korayo has got an uppercase, so they are not the same. So we're gonna get a false. But if you do like this, you're gonna get true, because these two strings matching. So how about if we say for example here we say wood, and we say word, for example. Okay, so the first one, what I'm gonna do, wood and word, but they both the same, because if you guys are looking here, the first character of this one is uppercase and the first character is this one uppercase, but they've got two different meanings. So let's see what Python says is false, because they're not the same. If you guys looking here, they're not the same. That's how the comparison operator works. So how about if you do greater than and less than? For example, you apply, say we're going to do a little bit fun, and we say less than, and that's true. How about we do the other way around? We come here and we say, sorry, the first one was greater than and now it's less than, is false. How about we do true? We compare the true and true, see what happens. True and true is true. How about we'll say false, and we say false, and false is also true. As you guys know that in mathematics, the truth tables, the false and false is true. So how about if you do the true and false, for example? Okay, so we had a typo there, typo here, that's true, that's false. True and false is false.